Hello dear students, today I'll tell you about the service providers. Service providers are the companies which offer free and paid cloud storage services. Okay, means these are the companies which are offering us services that may be free of cost and that may be paid also. Free of cost cloud storage or paid cloud storage services. As there are so many service providers, it is important to compare their features just because there are so many service provider companies, so we need to compare the features of these service provider companies to take advantage of the capabilities that each one offers. Means we need to check first of all before taking advantage of any of the service provider companies, which one is capable, which one is giving more features or which is giving less features. Criteria for consideration include the amount of free storage offered. Means what is the criteria of consideration that we need to define as before taking services from any of the service provider companies. That may be amount of free storage offered. Next is the cost to purchase more if needed. Means if that is not sufficient, that is not enough for us, the storage, the space, that is not enough for us and we need more space, we need more storage, then what will be the cost to purchase more space, more storage, and the maximum file size that each service provider allows you to upload. Means it depends on the size of file also which we are going to upload. Okay, you should keep the files you use most on the service on which you have the most storage space. Means we will take the services from the service providers which will give us more space, more storage space, and use services that support streaming to store and play media files, right? Photos, songs, and videos take longer to upload than smaller text or web pages files. Again, I'm repeating, photos, songs, and videos take longer to upload than smaller text or web pages files. Okay, it will take time if we are uploading photos, songs, or videos, then if we are uploading text or web files. So it is important to select a provider whose servers have sufficient bandwidth to support large file transfers. So we need to take the services from that particular service provider company which will whose servers have sufficient bandwidth to support large file transfers, through which we can we can store large files. It is also important to read a cloud storage provider's privacy policy and term of agreement to which you must consent before using it. Okay, you need to check the privacy policy also and the terms of agreements also, right? Some cloud storage providers may not guarantee the protection of the files you upload. Again, listen carefully. Some cloud storage providers may not guarantee the protection of your files you are uploading. So, you should still keep a backup of the important files you stored on the cloud. So that to avoid any of the inconvenience, your data may remove, you may lost your data. So for that you need to have backup. Now next thing is consideration while choosing service provider. Various cloud storage providers exist, and it is important to select one that adequately meets your needs. Means that is sufficient for your needs. Okay, that is matching with your needs. Consider the following guidelines when selecting a cloud storage provider. There are some of the guidelines given to you before taking any of the services, cloud services. Number one, verify the company is reputable. Means that should be reputable, should have name and fame also, and has been in business for an extended period of time. Okay, that particular company must involve in any of the business for a long time. Okay, next, choose a provider that encrypts means converts into code to prevent unauthorized access. Okay, so choose a provider that encrypts your file, that converts into code to prevent unauthorized access. Okay, next, make sure the company has not fallen victim to major security breaches. That means you must know about the company. It should not fall in victim to major security breaches. Okay, that should be safe. That should not become the victim of any of the major security rules, right? Next is determine whether the provider service is compatible, means it should be favorable. We need to determine this, whether the provider service is favorable, that should be compatible with your computers and mobile devices. Okay, next, compare the price of various storage plans and choose a provider that offers competitive pricing. Means you need to compare the price also. Okay, after comparing properly, you will take the particular service. Verify that the cloud storage provider supports the types of files you want to backup. For example, some cloud storage providers might allow you only to backup photos, so they would not be a good choice to back up your other personal files such as documents and spreadsheets. Okay, if it will give us backup only of the photos, then it is of no use, just because anytime we need the backup of photos, the documents, the spreadsheets and any other thing. So we need to consider this thing also. Next, if desired, choose a cloud storage provider that allows you to share selected files with others. Okay, consider whether the provider offers a mobile app that you can use to access your files using a mobile devices. Means it should be we can use it frequently in our mobile devices also. You should check it first before taking the services from any of the service provider companies. Okay, now here we completed the chapter. That is all for today. Thank you.